likes Mikey cute moment like me?
Huh?
Here you go, Mikey. There's your flag.
Let's make food set that he like.
I start with hamburger steak. After cooking the onion, I make sure it is cool enough because I don't want to cook my patty yet. I season the mixed meat with salt and pepper. Don't worry about under season. I have a sauce and then make a hole for the binder. I soak breadcrumbs in milk and then add them in. I don't use egg here because I feel like the texture is softer without it and I don't have to worry about overdoing the molding of the patty. At medium heat, I grill it on a pan on both sides and then cover it. For the sauce, I use Japanese brand for Worcestershire sauce. So if you use a different one, just use only 1 tablespoon because it is tangier. Heat it in the microwave to thicken the sauce. I combine boiling and baking to make potato wedges because there will be soft inside and crunchy outside. After boiling, I cover them with oil and salt and then bake them. The sausage is too long, so I cut it in half before making octopus-like shape and then boil them until they spread their legs. You can also fry them. Fry the rice with butter, ketchup, and soy sauce. Adjust the amount of ketchup based on the color that you like, but be careful, it might become too sweet. I'm too lazy to make a fried shrimp myself, so I use frozen fried shrimp instead. I also have other lunch set video if you're interested. And as Mikey said, is it not kids meal without a flag?